Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to the FERC report, in 2011, Texas lost over 1 million megawatt-hours to frozen hardware and mechanical failures. It lost only 120,000 megawatt-hours to fuel supply problems. The reported problems with natural gas supplies this time around suggest that those numbers will now look very different. 1 day ago.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why do we have rolling blackouts? If the electricity supply margin is low, meaning the supply of electricity is too low compared to the demand could become higher than the supply and cause a lengthy, widespread blackout.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.